B. Uma Devi. I am studying BSc MPC final year in TSW RDC Suryapet. Today we will discuss about sphere. What do you mean by sphere? The definition of the sphere is the locus of a point which remains at a constant distance from a fixed point is known as spheres. The locus of a point which remains at constant distance from fixed point is called sphere. This is the point P of x comma y comma z. This is the fixed point on the space. This is the radius of the sphere. From this figure, equation of the sphere. Let C of A comma B comma C is the C of A comma B comma C is the center of the sphere and R be the radius of the sphere. R be the radius of the sphere. This is the radius of the sphere. Let P of x comma y comma z be the P of x comma y comma z be the point on the sphere. The distance between center and the point on the sphere is r that equals to under root x square x minus a whole square plus y minus b whole square plus z minus c whole square. R square that equals to x minus a whole square plus y minus b whole square plus z minus c whole square. This is the distance between center and point on the sphere. From this equation, we get that r square that equals to x square plus a square minus 2ax plus y square plus b square minus 2by plus z square plus c square minus 2cz. From this, x square plus y square plus z square minus 2ax minus 2by minus 2cz plus a square plus b square plus c square minus r square that equals to 0, which is the equation of the sphere. The general equation of the sphere is in the form of x square plus y square plus z square plus 2ux plus 2vy plus 2wz plus d that equals to 0. This is the general equation of the sphere. From this equation, where the center of the sphere is C of C that equals to minus u minus v minus w. The radius of the sphere is r that equals to under root u square plus v square plus w square minus d. Here the center of the sphere is minus u minus v minus w, and the radius of the sphere is under root u square plus v square plus w square minus d. Here this is the second degree equation in x, y, z terms. For better understanding, we will do one example. Here, find the center and radius of the sphere x square plus y square plus z square minus 6x plus 2y plus minus 4z plus 14 that equals to 0. Given that the sphere equation is x square plus y square plus z square minus 6x plus 2y minus 4z plus 14 that equals to 0. This is the equation 1. The general equation of the sphere is, we know that the general equation of the sphere, that is x square plus y square plus z square plus 2ux plus 2vy plus 2wz plus d that equals to 0. This is equation 2. Comparing equation 1 and 2, equations 1 and 2, we get that 2u that equals to minus 6. 2 1s are 2 3s are. So that u that equals to minus 3. Next, 2v that equals to 2. 2 1s are 2. So v that equals to 1. Next, 2w that equals to minus 4. 2 1s are 2 2s are. So w that equals to minus 2. Here d that equals to 14. Here what they are asking is find that center and radius of the sphere. So we know the center C C that equals to minus U, minus V, minus W. We substitute this U, V, W values in this. So we get minus of minus 3 that equals to 3 minus 1. W value is minus 2. Minus of minus 2. So 3 minus 1, 2. We get the center points is 3 minus 1, 2. And radius. We also know about radius. R that equals to under root U square plus V square plus W square minus 2. UV W values substitute in this equation. So that U means minus 3 whole square plus minus 1 whole square 1 whole square plus minus 2 whole square minus D means 14. So 3 is a 9 plus 1 plus 4 minus 14. R that equals to under root 14 minus 14. So that we get R that equals to 0. Center is 3 comma minus 1 comma 2 and radius is 0 we get. Thank you.